Hey guys, this is Harshita. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna see the recipe of masala chicken fry. This is my grandmom's very easy recipe and she has been cooking this for decades now. Now check the description box for the ingredients. Without further ado, let's get started. First, heat a pan and add some oil. Add about 2 to 3 sliced green chilies, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Saute this for about 15 seconds. Now I'm gonna add about 500 grams of chicken. I've used boneless, you can use the normal chicken too. Now fry it on low flame for about 2 minutes. Fry until it turns yellowish white. Now this is the perfect time to add water. Add about 2 medium glasses of water. Now cook it on medium flame for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add 1 spoon of salt. We don't add salt in the beginning as the chicken won't cook fast. Now cook it for another 15 minutes until the water dries up or until it completely cooks. Now in a pan, add about 4 spoons of oil. Now this is called vadiya. We use it for tadkha in my house, for curries or sambar or chicken fry like this. Sometimes my grandma makes it at home or we get it from our village. So the substitution for this is some mustard seeds. Basically you'll just have to add the tadka. Add some curry leaves. Add the boiled chicken. Now add 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of chili powder and about half a spoon of chicken masala. This is totally optional. Now just give it a good mix. Just fry it for about 2 minutes on low flame. Now I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add as per your requirement. That's it guys. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.